Welcome to Windgate Ranch, an amazing guard-gated community in North Scottsdale, Arizona. My name is Michelle Sarocka. I'm with the Monson Luxury Group, and I'd like to introduce you to our latest listing at 18586 North 97th Way. This light and bright home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac overlooking a beautiful park. It features 4 bedrooms, including a master on the lower level, 3.5 bathrooms, and it's over 3,100 square feet. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact the Monson Luxury Group at the information below. Thank you.